If you've wondered whether the IRS is really coming for wealthy taxpayers in 2025, the answer is a resounding yes. New reports reveal a massive shift in their audit strategy, and it's a direct result of federal reprioritization. This video breaks down exactly what's happening with IRS audits and provides a clear action plan for anyone earning over $400,000. It's time to get prepared. The shocking numbers: the IRS has more than doubled its audits of high-income earners. We're talking about a near 250% increase for anyone reporting over $400,000 in annual income. This marks a fundamental change in their approach. While overall, individual audits have dropped, the focus has shifted. The IRS's small business and international divisions are now laser-focused on high-income returns. Historically, only 6% of audits were for the wealthy. That number has now tripled to 17%. What this means for you if your income is above $400,000 or your tax situation is complex: expect more scrutiny. This is especially true for business owners and investors with partnerships, corporations, or multiple rental properties. The audit framework is still evolving. The definition of a small business is fuzzy, and the flat $400,000 threshold could unfairly affect married couples. This is a new, smarter IRS with thousands of new agents, and they're flying the plane while building the wings. How to protect your business and wealth. Here is your action plan to prepare for this new era of IRS enforcement. Clean up your books. If you're a business owner, meticulously organize your financial records and ensure you have backup documentation for every deduction. Review past returns. A proactive check of your last 3 years of tax returns can help you spot and correct potential red flags before the IRS does. Avoid aggressive strategies. The audit algorithms are getting sharper. Steer clear of overly aggressive or listed transactions that historically attract IRS attention. Engage a tax professional. The rules are changing faster than ever. A solid tax professional can provide the expert guidance needed to navigate this new landscape, ensuring you stay compliant and protected. The audit rate is still low, but the risk for a specific group of taxpayers is now much higher. This is not the old IRS. The new strategy is targeted and focused, and your best defense is proactive preparation. What are your thoughts on this new IRS strategy? Share them in the comments below. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more essential tax insights. Thanks for watching.